What is CICD? CICD is a process to automate building, testing, and deploying of your software applications every time you make a code update so that you can deliver your software to your end customer as early as possible. Let's understand this more clearly with the help of a diagram. Whenever a developer pushes new changes to Git repository like Bitbucket, an automatic server like Jenkins continuously monitors that repository for any new change. As soon as it detects new changes added to the repository, it automatically triggers a pipeline which builds and tests your application code. And this happens every time a new change is added to the repository. Automatically building and testing your application code is known as continuous integration. Once the code is built and tested, it is then ready for the next step, which is called deployment. You can deploy your application code on any platform based on your application needs. It could be Kubernetes or a Linux server or a Docker container. It all depends on your needs. The process of automatically deploying your application to the server is called continuous delivery. The complete process of automating the continuous integration and continuous deployment is called a CI/CD pipeline.